Friends, today my words are dedicated to Mother's Day. Let us know few facts regarding this day and its history. The history of Mother's Day is centuries old, and the earliest Mother's Day celebrations can be traced back to the spring celebration of ancient Greece in honor of Rhea, the mother of gods. Early Christians in England celebrated a day to honor Mary, the mother of Christ. By a religious order, the holiday was later expanded in its scope to include all mothers and named as the Mothering Sunday, celebrated on the fourth Sunday of the Lent, that is, the 40th day period leading up to Easter. Mothering Sunday honored the mothers of England. During this time, many of the England's poor worked as servants for the wealthy. As most jobs were located far from their homes, the servants would live at the houses of the employers. On Mothering Sunday, the servants would have the day off and were encouraged to return home and spend the day with their mothers. A special cake called the mothering cake was often bought along to provide a festive touch. Over time, the church festival blended with the Mothering Sunday celebration. People began honoring their mothers as well as the church. With the passage of time, the practice of this fantastic tradition ceased slowly. The English colonists settled in America discontinued the tradition of Mothering Sunday because of lack of time. The creation of a National Mother's Day is primarily attributed to three women: Anne Reeves Jervis, Julia Ward Howe, and Anne's daughter Anna M. Jervis. Anne Reeves Jervis, known as Mother Jervis, was a young Appalachian homemaker who taught Sunday school lessons. She also was a lifelong activist who in the mid-1800s had organized Mother Day work clubs in West Virginia to combat unsanitary living conditions and teach young mothers how to safely care for their children. During the Civil War, Mother Jervis had also organized women's brigades. After the war, she proposed a Mother's Friendship Day to promote peace between former Union and Confederate families. In the United States, Mother's Day was loosely inspired by the British Day and was first suggested after the American Civil War by social activist Julia Ward Howe. She was horrified by the carnage of the Civil War and the Franco-Prussian War, and so in 1870s Julia tried to issue a manifesto for peace at International Peace Conference in London and Paris. During the Franco-Prussian War in the 1870s, Julia began a one-woman peace crusade and made an impassioned appeal to womanhood to rise against war. Around 1870, Julia called for a Mother's Day for Peace, dedicated to the celebration of peace and the eradication of war. as expressed in what is called her Mother's Day Proclamation from 1870, how we felt that mothers should gather to prevent the cruelty of war and waste of life. Nothing happened in this department until 1907, when Miss Anna M. Jarvis of Philadelphia took up the banner. Anna M. Jarvis, daughter of N. Reeves Jarvis, wished to memorialize her life and started campaigning for a national day to honor all mothers. In May 1907, Anna memorialized her mother's lifelong activism with a memorial service held at the Methodist Church in Grafton, West Virginia. In 1914, President Woodrow Wilson signed a bill designating that second Sunday in May as a legal holiday to be called Mother's Day. According to many sources, Anna simply wanted to honor her mother and the work she had done, and claimed that her mother was the originator of the real Mother's Day. Today, Mother's Day is a day honoring mothers, celebrated on various days in many places around the world. It is the day when you acknowledge your mother's contribution in your life and pay a tribute to her. All of us look forward to this day to let our mummy dear know how special she is to us. Thank you all. This is all about the origin and the history and the today's celebration of the day. It's not the all part that I covered, but these are the few interesting points that I want to share with you. Thank you. So friends, these are few interesting points about the origin and the history of Mother's Day. This is not covering all the detail of the history, but these points are very interesting that I am sharing to you on this auspicious day, Mother's Day. The day is very special to all of us because it relates a person who is most important in our life. A mother is she who can take place of all, but whose place no one can take in this world. So always try to be with them. Mothers are precious. My love and respect to all the mothers in this universe. Thank you.